Okay, so here's part 3 of the chicken coop. The 10 is on the roof. These guys are loving life. We had to put these guys around because we have a bunch of cats in this neighborhood from the neighbor lady that like to come and check the chickens out. Or chicks, I should say. But yeah, here it is. Let's go take a look inside. Let's go. See? Nice little shed, chicken shed. Came out really nice. It took me about 2 days to do this. And let's get some light in here. I put that lodgepole pine up just to reinforce because of snow. But other than that, it should be pretty good in here. Got it's a squirrel feeder thing that I got last year. Had corn and nuts on it, but it's a bungee, so I use that for the door. It's pretty cool. But yeah, the laying boxes. Got that old guy for their feed, and there's the deer corn. I feed the deer, or we feed the deer. But yeah, there's a little roost I made. We got this temporary door up. I haven't got that far about the door, but there it is. Pretty cool. I like it. And they seem to really dig it. They like that huckleberry bush in there. I don't know why, but they do. They really dig it. So I left it in there for them. But there is part 3 of the glorious chicken coop. And we will start filming these guys, you know, doing eggs and whatever chickens do. Just so we know that these are pets. We're not eating these guys or anything like that. Nope, these guys are strictly just to look at and for eggs. I'm not a big egg eater. So why do I have chickens? Just because. I give them away to people, the eggs. I don't know. I'll do something with them. But there it is.